Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Ikram Qureshi.
Today we are going to learn lesson number 20, Arabic alphabet. In this lesson we are going to learn one Arabic alphabet and the Arabic words that start with Arabic alphabet. इस लेसन में हम एक अरेबिक अल्फ़ाबेट को पढ़ेंगे और अरेबिक वर्ड्स को पढ़ेंगे जो उस अल्फ़ाबेट से स्टार्ट हो रहे होंगे. Okay, first of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Are you remember this word? This is Laam. This is Laam. Now we will learn this letter with vowel signs. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Lam fatha la, Lam damalu, Lam kasra li. Now let's try to read together. La, lu, li. La, lu, li. Now we will learn Arabic words that start with this letter. Are you ready? The first one, Layl, night. Let's repeat. Layl, night. Night mean raat. Okay, the next one, Lawh, board. Let's repeat. Lawh, board. Okay, the next one, Laban, yogurt. Let's repeat. Laban, yogurt. Yogurt mean dahi. The next one, laun, color. Let's repeat. Laun, colors. Color mean rang. Okay, the next one, lisan, tongue. Let's repeat. Lisan, tongue. Tongue mean zuban. Okay, the next one, libas, clothes. Let's repeat. Libas, clothes. Cloth mean kapde. Congratulations, we have completed this lesson. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Wada'a araka qariban. Goodbye. See you soon.